Right, what we have here is there's something they call skew lines. Skew lines, they can lie, skew lines are not parallel to each other. And they do not intersect. Very important. They are not parallel and they do not intersect. But they can lie in parallel planes. You see, one of them is on top of this purple plane. You can see the green line. The green line on top of that purple plane, and then the red one on the blue plane. So those two planes can be parallel, but the skew lines are not parallel. And they are not parallel to each other and they do not intersect. So we're going to find out how you show that the lines do not intersect. So I'll bring some other examples of lines. You know, when two parallel lines are there, they stay in the same distance apart and they never cross each other. That's parallel lines. Intersecting lines, they cross each other, like that second one. And this one underneath, perpendicular lines intersect and form a 90 degrees right angle between the two lines. Skew lines are on different planes and they do not intersect. So what we're dealing with now is skew lines. The skew lines do not intersect. They are on different planes. So we want to show, so the question we want to do now is to show two lines are skew. That's the maths question, to show that two lines are skew. So that will be the title. And in a box, you will see these two skew lines. One at this plane and the other one at this plane. These two lines, they are not parallel to each other. So the title is Show that two lines are skew lines. Show that two lines are skew lines. So I'll write down the equation of the two lines. Line 1, call it L1, L2. So L1, you can write the equation as R is equals to 3, 2, 1 plus lambda. We put it in column vector form because it makes it easier to do the question. And then line 2, L2, 4 minus 7, 2 plus mu 4 minus 2, 3. So that's the two lines. So we're going to form three equations like before. So we would have 3 plus 3 lambda and then 2 plus lambda two plus 1 lambda and 1 plus lambda. And all of that will be equal to, use the next line, 4 plus 4 mu minus 7 minus 2 mu and 2 plus 3 mu. So got three equations there. 1, 2, 3. So the plan now is to solve those 3 equations. But you can see the one that has lambda and lambda there. So we can just use equation 3 minus equation 2 to solve it to find mu and sub into 3 to find lambda. So we pick the one that has lambda and lambda there so that we can do equation 3 minus 2. So let me copy equation 3. That's equation 3 there. And then we want to minus equation 2. So take your time and write it neatly. So the line there, the minus in blue. 1 minus 2 gives you minus 1. Lambda minus lambda disappear. 2 minus minus 7 gives you 9. 3 mu minus minus 2 mu gives you 5 mu. And then solve it for mu. Subtract 9 on the border side. So minus 10 is equals to 5 mu. That gives you mu to be equals to minus 2. So we take that minus 2, sub it into 3. Substitute mu is minus 2 into equation 3. Point the arrow there to find lambda. So 1 plus lambda is equals to 2 plus 3 times minus 2. And minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So you work that out. Lambda should be minus 5. So the mu and lambda is minus 5. You solve all of that into equation 1. So you go and take equation 1 and put mu and lambda in it. So 3 times 3 plus 3 times minus 5. Is that equals to 4 plus 4 times minus 2.
No.
Sometimes instead of put times, it's good to put brackets. It's 4 times minus 2. This side will give you minus 12. And the other side will give you minus 4. So they are not equal. They are not equal. So L1 and L2 are skew lines. So equal. So L1 and L2 are skew lines. L1 and L2 are skew lines.